Just ordered the Samsung S24 base 265 gig from the online store, Samsung's online store. Took less than 10 days to arrive, maybe about a week. This is the Samsung exclusive colors, so you get some discount on it, and if you use the app, Samsung app, for the first time to buy it, you get another 5% off. I'm just gonna open it here. It's in the blue color, and in here there's the typical stuff. I like the blue. So it comes with the SIM card tray tool, USB-C to USB-C cable, no charger, which is disappointing. You're buying an expensive phone, they should give you a charger with it. Now for this, yes.
That's good.
I like the size. It is smaller than the phone we use now, which is a Samsung A52. This is in comparison. Usually people go up in size. This time he went down in size. I like this phone. It's very elegant. It feels like an iPhone in a way. Very well made. Nice rounded corners. Very nice, very elegant. The blue with the silver corners works great. Looks awesome. And this is a great phone for everyday use.